In front of me is LENOVO Yoga Tab Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Theme. When it's ready, launch it. Hit consent, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then to access settings of this wallpaper, click at the top left corner. Operate all of those however you wish to. And then click at the bottom right corner. Finally, choose Set as Live Wallpaper, hit Yes, tap on Set Wallpaper, and decide where. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!